Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to change photo resolution in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then in camera on this device you can't really change photo resolution in its normal sense, but you have this feature which is called Smart High Resolution, which you can enable, and your device will automatically detect on which photos should be taken in high resolution and which shouldn't. So could be quite useful. You should try it out. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.